This week's mental health tips are about restoring a healthy identity. Hi, I'm Angela. I have a husband with bipolar 2 disorder, my kids have ADHD, and I myself have struggled with depression. You're not alone. Last week, we talked about the danger of over-identifying with a mental health diagnosis. This can have a profound impact on our self-image and even the ability to have a hopeful outlook on life. The great news is that we all have the capacity to change and to transform. So ask yourself these questions. Is the primary way I define myself as a mentally ill person? Do I identify first with my struggles over my strengths? And am I internalizing society's stigma about mental illness? It might sound kind of simple to start out by asking questions, but so many times we are unconsciously creating thought patterns just like a rut in the road. So in order to change our thoughts, we must be aware of them and challenge them. So back to our questions. If the primary way we are identifying ourselves is as a mentally ill person, we can challenge that with several statements. I am a child of God. My identity is more than what I do, or the roles that I have, or what I accomplish, or what other people say about me. If we are identifying with our struggles over our strengths, then we can start restoring our view of ourselves by accepting our struggles and learning more about our strengths and placing an emphasis on them. I'll put a link in the notes below for a great resource to discover your strengths. If we're internalizing society's stigma, we can really start by talking openly about mental illness and choosing education and empowerment over shame and isolation. Also by being proactive about treatment, by seeing a counselor and a psychiatrist if appropriate. Showing compassion to ourselves and to others who are struggling. Over our lifetime, we will experience changes in roles, careers, and even our health status, but our purpose remains steady as beloved children of God. Hebrews 13:8 says, Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. What are your thoughts on identity and mental health? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And a big thank you to His Heart Foundation for supporting this channel. If you want more in-depth mental health information for you and those you love, check out mentalhealth.academy today.